Hello, introducing Nyks Bird Post, the ultimate immersive mail system designed for your RedM VORP server, and then send them using beautifully trained messenger birds, including eagles, owls, and pigeons. This script moves beyond simple messages. Allowing your players to fully engage with a realistic postal service. Players can write detailed custom letters using a pen and paper. Featuring a stunning custom-designed user interface, players can register for a mailbox at physical NPC locations, browse their inbox, and compose new messages in a beautiful thematic window. Visit the dedicated bird shops to purchase your avian messengers. This script adds a new layer to your server's economy. Birds and writing materials have limited uses. It's packed with advanced features, including configurable delivery times, an optional realism check for delivery distance, offline delivery to the player's mailbox, and a detailed Discord webhook log for administrators. All configurable. Goodbye.